my channel. It's Caramel Coils back again with another video. So in today's video, we're gonna focus on the importance of cleansing, clarifying, shampooing your natural hair, because as naturals, I feel like we could tend to focus so much on moisture, hydration, and all of that, and not enough on having clean hair. And I'm speaking from experience, because when I first became natural, the first few shampoos I tried just really dried my hair out, left my hair crispy, crunchy, and very straw-like. So after those few experiences, it kind of just left me traumatized, and I was out here conditioning, co-washing every single wash day, shampooing maybe once a month. But fast forward to where I am now. Today, my hair is healthy. I'd like to say my hair is pretty popping. And I just learned a lot since then. So it doesn't matter how bomb your leave-in conditioner is, your deep conditioner, your cream. It doesn't matter how bomb those products are, how moisturizing those products are. If your hair is not clean, if you have product buildup, those products are not gonna fully penetrate your hair. You're not gonna be able to see their full potential. So the point I'm trying to make here is having clean hair and having moisturized hair go hand in hand. They're equally as important. You can't have one without having the other. But at the end of the day, it's just a matter of finding the right shampoo for you. So one that obviously doesn't dry your hair out, doesn't strip your hair. So today I'm going to be introducing you guys to Curlsmith's 3-step detox kit. So if you guys want to see how these 3 products work on my hair, then keep watching. Wow, yeah, I really got to do better. It seems like every time I come on this camera on wash day, my hair just gets worse and worse. I really have not been taking care of my hair the way I should, y'all. Like, it's embarrassing. As you guys can see, your girl has a lot of product buildup. My scalp is really crusty. So we're gonna get all that together right now. You already know the deal. Drenching my hair in water, making sure it's saturated. Then the first product I'm going to go in with is the Curlsmith Super Slip Prebiotic Primer. So I'm not going to lie to y'all, this is definitely the first time I've ever used a product like this. So it has a super slippery, loose consistency. You want to go ahead and just massage it into your scalp and run it through your strand. So the purpose of this product is to basically just protect the natural oils, the natural moisture in your scalp and hair from the clarifier. I know a lot of people complain that shampoos strip their hair of its natural oils and stuff like that. So this primer is basically just to protect it from that. It has some really nice ingredients, protein included, so keep that in mind. And not to mention, this product smells amazing, just like all of Curlsmith's products. They all smell bomb. So yeah, I applied that on my scalp and then all throughout my hair. Just keep in mind, although it does say super slip, for me personally, based off of how dry and matted and just a mess my hair was, I wouldn't say that I was able to thoroughly detangle my hair with it. Of course, it's not like a pre-poo or anything like that, but I feel like I was able to pretty much coat most of my strands, so that's the most important part. Now, the next thing I'm going to do without rinsing out the primer is go in with this Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic. Yeah, I've never used anything like this before. I know I said that about the last product. What makes this cleanser different from any of the other cleansers I've ever used is the fact that it has exfoliating particles in it. So they're really small, super fine. It's not like a Dove exfoliator or the Tree Hut scrubs. Like, it's obviously not that consistency. They're really, really small. And I wouldn't even say you can see it when looking at the product, but you do feel it when you're rubbing it together in your hands and stuff like that. This created a really, really nice lather, you guys. Then to turn things up a notch, I'm going in with this Curlsmith scalp massager or shampoo brush, whatever you want to call it. So I've always wanted to use one of these, just couldn't be bothered with actually going out and buying one. But this was actually a really nice experience as well. This was different. I recommend this for anybody who has nails, or maybe if you have a broken nail or a split nail and you don't want to get your hair caught on your nails. I definitely recommend it for that. Or if you're just feeling lazy, you don't want to use your finger pads, it's a lot easier to just go in with the shampoo brush. But as you guys can see, your girl got a nice lather in, made sure to evenly distribute that shampoo from my scalp all the way to the ends of my hair. Now I'm rinsing that out, and to my surprise, you guys, my hair felt really soft. My hair was defined. My scalp, of course, squeaky clean, no flakes, no nothing. And my hair just felt healthy. Like, that's the best way I can describe it. And that's the way my hair feels whenever I use Curlsmith products. My hair just feels healthy. And one would think after using a product like a detox, you would expect your hair to feel more on the, you know, more on like the squeaky side, more on the dry side, but that was not the case at all with this product. You guys, my hair feels really, really soft. Now, the last product I'm going in with is this Biotic Calming Conditioner. So this stuff, y'all, Consistency A1. I love how creamy and moisturizing this conditioner was. The slip was A1. It was just like the perfect way to finish off this wash day. It has peppermint oil, lavender flowers, tea tree leaves, pressed thyme oil. So it's super herby and just left my hair and scalp feeling so, I guess you could say, yeah, calm, soothed. And like I said, y'all, chef's kiss, just the perfect way to finish off this wash day. And of course, after detangling each section, I go in and twist it. So I do that for my whole head. Y'all already know the deal. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys listen to some music because I know I pretty much talked for the entirety of this video. So I finished detangling my hair. Now I'm just rinsing out the conditioner, and I actually did follow up with their Hydro Cream Smoothing Mask, and I really love that, but I'll save that for another video. In conclusion, y'all, in order to have healthy hair, you have to have a clean scalp. You have to have clean hair. Don't be scared to incorporate shampoos, especially clarifying shampoos in your hair care routine. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I'll see you guys next week.